Love all of the mixer content, but you want a workshop tour? I'll oblige. So this right here is the little building that I lease. And as you walk through the front door here, well, you get access to my showroom where we have all of our nice, shiny little mixers up on display. As well as some robots forged by mixer pieces. And some vintage mixers we have on display. Now you guys are familiar with this backdrop. This is my film studio. Which is also where we take pictures of products. And I get to work with my best friend, who is also my IT guy. Jake, say hi. Now, as you can see, this space isn't totally ideal, well, because you walk in the door right there, and that's my film studio, so I often have customers walking through the door. So I'll be right in the middle of the clip, and I'll hear a bing bong! But you know what they say, you can't have your cake and eat it too. Come on, let me take you to my shipping department. Oh, and speaking of cake, what do you need? What do I need? This is my lovely wife, who is also the head of my shipping department. She's being bashful. Now, as you can see, this room is just full of mixers. Who would have guessed? But not just mixers. I mean, we got t-shirts, we got every single part and accessory that a mixer could use. You know, things like beater blade, external attachments, accessories, and even bowls. Now let's go see where the real magic happens and meet a few of the magicians. Although I'm sure they'd refer to themselves as jesters. So we have Greg over here. This is my service manager. He is actually going through this machine. As well as all these right here, he is going to do a detailed inspection on every single one of these. Because these guys back here, they just can't be trusted. They're always causing a ruckus. Just kidding. We just like to check and double check to make sure that what we're sending home to you is perfect. Speaking of, we have some of the machines that we've already worked on, as well as ones that have paid, and they're getting ready to ship home. Now, at workstation number 1 here, we have Mr. Brett, the Army vet. What's up, Brett? Over here, we have Peyton, the youngest guy on the crew. Actually, we just saved him from the jail that is high school. What's up, Peyton?
What's up?
Next to the youngest guy, we have the oldest guy in the shop. What's up, Chuck?
Just working.
Just working. And then we have Mr. Chris over here, who is right in the thick of it.
What's up?
Now, over here, we have a bunch of mixers that we're going to prep for resale. And then we have a ton of just parts machines and general parts and body pieces. I'm pretty sure a few of these guys have body pieces as well, but they're just in their freezers at home. Now, these are all customer mixers that have been shipped into us from all over the U.S. They are just on the shelf in queue. But you guys want to see where the shit really goes down? Now, I know it's not much, but it is my throne, and I love it. And, well, there you guys go. It's not much, but it's mine. And, well, when you think about the fact that I started this in a utility closet like 4 years ago, I think we're doing okay. And really, at the end of the day, all I have to say about it, it is such a blessing to be able to work with my best friend, with my wife, and provide good-paying jobs to, all of these guys within my community. I wouldn't change it for the world. And thank you from me and all of my guys for letting us be of service. We hope to serve you for many years to come.